welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn how to make this mandala weaving tool that I have promised you earlier. This will make the weaving really easy to start. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a circle cardboard cutout, which is the size of this plate, approximately 10 inches diameter. And I also have this paper cutout of the same size that I'll fold twice to mark the center. Now if you have a compass, then you can do it with the help of a compass and mark the center easily. Now as we know that a circle is 360-degree total, so if I want to make a 8-pointed mandala, so it will be 45-degree each angle, and if I want to make a 12-pointed mandala, then it will be 30-degree each. So now with the help of a protractor, I'm going to mark 45-degree angles. And then join them. So now the circle is divided into 8 sides, and I have marked them with blue pen so that I know which ones are the 8-pointed ones. Now I am marking 30-degree angle on each side, and with the same way I will make lines and then mark with red pen. So I've marked with red pen now. Now I am numbering them. So there are 12 red ones and 8 blue ones. Now there will be some lines which are common for red and blue. Now again with that help of the same paper, I'm going to cut it 1 inch shorter and then cut out from the middle of this cardboard. Same way I made another one to make it more firm and strong. I'll glue them both together. And let them dry for some time. Now I am marking on both sides of each point. And I'll make holes on them. So with the help of my exacto knife, I'll make hole on the points I've marked with the pencil. So this is how it looks now. Now I am using blue yarn for the blue ones, and I'll use orange for the red ones, and I'll insert them with the help of a safety pin and a needle But if you have a needle, um, yarn needle, then it will be easier for you. Since my needle was has a bigger rear, so I couldn't make it go through the holes. So I have 8 um, blue yarns to go on the numbers 1 to 8, and the rest of them I made with orange yarn. So after completing, this is how it looks. See, some of them have both of them, like 4 and 7, 6 and 10. Now with the help of a paper tape, I'll just secure the sides to make it more stronger. So I'll complete them, and this is how it looks now. Now see, there are for blue ones there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. But for the red ones, so I'll start from the blue 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this I will go on till 12. I'll show you how we can use them. Use it to weave yarn mandala. I'm showing you a 8-pointed mandala. I forgot to measure the center, so I'll measure it now, and each center should be on top of one another. For the other two, I'm measuring the center now. I'll mark the center and then I'll place them on top of the previous center. This way you know that all the centers are aligned and the angles are also proper, and it won't shift when you are doing your work. Hope you have liked the video. If you do, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. And please do comment your thoughts. Thank you so much.